Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateurs, and today I'm going to show you how I get my normal, natural looking makeup look. I'm going to try not to make this too long because usually these videos can take long, so I'm just going to get straight to the point in each part of the sections. First, I'm going to use NYX First Base Primer Spray to spray down my face to hydrate and prepare the makeup to go on. Next, I'm going to color correct my face. I'm using Smoke and Mirrors Color Correcting Primer and Redness Corrector, and Hard Candy's Sheer Envy Color Correct Cushion Wonder in orange. Actually, it says peach, but it's orange. So I'm going to put the green all over my red spots, which right now I have quite a few actually. Then I'm going to take the orange or peach and apply this under my eyes where my dark circles are. Now I'm going to use my fingers to blend out the green. I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and blend out the orange. Now I'm going to take Tarte's Creaseless Concealer and light and apply that on my dark circles. I'm going to also apply it a little on the green areas. I'm going to blend it also with my damp beauty blender. Now that we look funky, we're going to put some foundation on. I'm using L'Oreal's True Match Super Blendable Makeup in Neutral, Buff, and 3. I'm just going to use my fingers to dab it on my face. I usually also put the liquid anywhere there's green or redness, so there's extra coverage right in those spots, but you do you. Don't forget your neck. So since I have red spots all over my neck right now because of my necklace that I'm wearing. And then blend it out with a damp beauty blender. To double whammy those dark circles, I'm using Tarte's Shape Tape Contour Concealer in light neutral and applying those under my eyes as well. And then start blending away. Laura Mercier's Secret Brightening Powder, and I'm going to place this under my eye. First and foremost, I'm going to make sure there's no creases under my eyes, which already there is. I'm going to just make them creaseless. And then I'm going to take some powder and dab it under my eyes gently. Now you're going to want to take the powder anywhere else that you have a lot of creases, or you want to make sure it doesn't have any creases. Just like around the nose and around your laugh lines. Because girl, you don't know if you're going to be laughing tonight or not. And we're just going to let that set. So while that's happening, I'm going to just throw this stuff over there. I'm going to do my brows. I'm going to show you how I do one of my brows, and then I'm just going to skip the other one. For my brows, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. And it's as simple as that for me. I don't do too much for my brows. I just fill them in, make them look feathery. And then I try to get this one as close as possible to look like this, but I never really fully. I don't have the skills, I guess, to do that. So I'm just gonna skip this part. Now that my brows are done, ta-da! I'm going to brush away the white powder or the translucent powder. Well, as I've said lately, that my dark circles are still kind of showing because I've been doing some bad habits. So there is ways to conquer that. I'm going to show you how I do it. After I've added the powder, I do dip into my Tarte Shape Tape again, and I just place it on top before you do anything else. So I guess this is how I hide my dark circles tutorial. And then I'm going to go over it again with the beauty blender. And then I go over it with the powder again. This is only when my circles are just extra bad, which they have been lately. You know, it's life, it happens. And while that's setting, I go straight to my eyes. I don't even do my contour until I'm done with the setting of this. So, back to what we were doing. I'm going to take Kat Von D's Shaded Light palette, and I'm going to make sure there's no lines on my eyes. Like, look at the difference. Red, yellow. Difference there. Difference. I tried. Anyhow, I'm going to take the color right here, Lyric, and a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to go over my lid with it. And then I'm going to go and use Subconscious. And I'm going to place this only in my crease, not trying to go too low, not trying to go too high. Just a little to kind of give my eye some shape. Right about here. And I'm going to just blend it out as neatly as possible to give my eye some contour. You can go over it with the yellow again if you want, like right here, just to add some shine. I just added Lyric to my finger and I just dab it on to the main lid, just to kind of give my eye that pop. Okay, so now I'm going to take the bake off my face again, so the powder. And then I'm going to go in with, I'm probably going to go with Shadow Play this time. And I'm going to contour my cheekbones, and my temple, and my jawline. Now, when I'm doing a natural look, I personally don't add blush. I'm not much of a blushing type of person. I don't generally blush. So I will add some glow to my cheekbones instead. So I usually just go in with like normal colors, but I'm going to use white this time. So from Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Grower's Glow Kit, I'm going to use Forever Lit. And just lightly put it on my cheekbones and my nose. And then I'm going to spray with my NYX primer spray to keep from caking. That went in my mouth. And I'm going to pat it down to help take any of that extra powder off to prevent it from looking too cakey. And then it's onto our eyes. I'm going to use I'm using Marcel's Curling and Lengthening Mascara in black. And then I'm gonna put I'm gonna put Kish Lashes Blowout Lash in Page Boy. For lipstick, I actually don't know the name of this because it doesn't say. It's one of Hard Candy's Cashmere Silk Demi Matte lipsticks. I got it from a Christmas packet, and there was just a whole bunch of different ones in it, and just use a natural, neutral look lipstick, I guess. And that's how I do my natural makeup look. So I hope you guys liked this, and I hope you guys enjoyed the follow. Hopefully it wasn't too complex, it wasn't too easy, you know, a bit of between. It makes you interested in it, maybe. Anyway, I hope you guys liked. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that thumbs up so I can get seen by that algorithm.